Hello, welcome to my channel, where in this video, I will show you some tricks that I use to draw a human head. It is very rewarding to get a nice head drawing done, because most beginners start off by drawing heads, on their textbook or not. And if one can draw a pretty or handsome character face, this will boost their confidence and give them more reasons to keep drawing. There are already a lot of videos on this topic in YouTube, and most of them are more or less the same, where you start off by drawing a circle, put a cross in between and mark down the location for eyes, nose, and mouth. But on this video I am going to simplify it so you don't even need to start with a circle. Let's prepare your pen and paper, and get started. First, we are going straight to drawing the eyes by putting two small circles down. Keep the two eyes at a horizontal line and make sure to leave space in between. After you indicate where the eyes are, now put a horizontal line across them, draw it lightly. In the middle of that horizontal line, extend a vertical line to reference the nose and mouth. Now, put another smaller circle to mark the nose. If you mark the nose higher and closer to the eyes, your character may look young or childlike. If you mark the nose lower, it has the opposite effect. Right below the nose, mark the location of the mouth, either with a smile or a circle. If you are drawing a 45-degree angle, move the mouth to the side of the vertical line. Next comes the more difficult part, getting the face done. Horizontal to the eyes, place the ear and make sure it doesn't get too close to the eyes. For 45-degree angles, place one ear only and move it even further from the eye. Below the eyes, and next to the nose, draw two circles lightly to indicate the cheeks, slightly larger than the eyes. If you are drawing 45-degree angles, make sure one side of the face is thinner than the other, like an oval shape. Next put a dot below the mouth or the chin. How far from the mouth is totally up to you to try. Now you can draw the face using the cheek reference, from the ear and move it toward the chin dot. Round up the face by adding the forehead, draw a circle the same size as the face for reference if you are not confident. Notice how I draw all the circles lightly and only press hard on lines that I am sure of. Now that you got the head all referenced done, next is just to fine-tune the details. For beginners who do not have a style of their own, I highly recommend mimicking other artists' work. Bring out a drawing from your favorite artist, examine the way they draw the eyes, nose, and mouth and make it your own. If you draw using the reference you just created, your drawing shouldn't look bad by any means. Bad face usually comes from wrong ratio of facial features where someone put the eyes, nose, and mouth in the wrong places. And remember to draw lightly, it gives more room for error and less pressure while drawing. This sums up my tutorial for drawing face. I hope you find this video somehow helpful. It is a fairly short video because the principle is simple. but it takes a lot of time to master it. So practice it again and again until you make the paper all full, until you are comfortable with it. Again, the purpose of the video is to give you some hints to get the very basic of head drawing done. Therefore I did not get into any of the facial detail, like how you should draw the eyes or eyelash, or nose or mouth, because everyone has their personal preference and favorite art style. If you are happy with the face drawing, please check out my other videos where I teach body drawing, and the tools that I use. Do let me know if you have any question or suggestion so I can improve over my next video. I'll see you again soon.